Hello, welcome to our Early Learning SF video tutorial channel. We hope you find our videos helpful as we will show you how to navigate the Early Learning SF website using a computer or a mobile phone. For this video tutorial topic, we will show you how to fill out an Early Learning SF application using your computer. First, what you need to do is enter the Early Learning SF website by entering www.earlylearningsf.org. Once you go to the main page, please go where it says First Time Visitors, and you'll be screened to see if you're eligible for the assistance. Please provide us your family size and your family monthly income. Please click Check. If you're eligible, you may continue. Click Continue, and here you'll have access to put your information. Please add your first name, your last name. Please let us know what language you wish to be contacted in, and provide us your address. You then want to let us know what your preferred contact method is. Please click all that applies, and then provide us your information. Please let us know what your phone number is.